If you're wondering whether it's time to clean your air ducts and how much it'll set you back, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to PartsHnC. Today, we're breaking down the costs of air duct cleaning, why it's worth it, and some tips to save money. Let's dive in. So how much does air duct cleaning actually cost? On average, you can expect to pay around $500, but prices typically range from $270 to $1,000 depending on several factors. To begin, the size of your home plays a big role. Larger homes with more ductwork cost more. Estimate 15 cents to 30 cents per square foot. For a 1,200 square foot home, that's about $180 to $360, while a 3,000 square foot place could run $450 to $900. The number of vents matters too, often priced at $35 per vent on average. So, 8 vents might cost $200 to $400, and 20 vents could hit $500 to $1,000. Prices may adjust depending on market rates. Other factors include the condition of your ducts. If they're super dirty or have mold, you'll pay extra for intensive cleaning or add-ons like pest control, $250 to $600, or mold removal, around $2,200. Accessibility, duct type, and the cleaner's experience also influence the price. Why bother? Clean ducts improve air quality, boost energy efficiency, reduce allergies, and eliminate odors from mold or pets. Aim to clean every 3 to 5 years or sooner if you spot mold, pests, or poor airflow. Pro tip, skip DIY, hire pros to avoid damage. Compare quotes and bundle with HVAC maintenance to save. For more details, check out our blog, mentioned in the description. It's packed with even more tips and insights. While you're thinking about your HVAC system, head over to PartsHnC.com for top-quality parts like filters, thermostats, and blowers from trusted brands. We've got everything you need at competitive prices to keep your system running smoothly.